If you're trying to send a text message not right now, but sometime in the future, maybe tomorrow morning or some other time, you can always use that send later option. But if it's missing on your iPhone, there are a number of different things we can do to get that back. Let's head into the Messages app itself. Now, I'm going to show you what this looks like. I can tap on a message with somebody. Let's say tap on this person and tap on the little plus at the bottom left. Once I've tapped on that, you can see send later at the bottom left. You might need to swipe down to be able to see it, but if I tap on send later, you can see it says today at 5 p.m. I can tap on today at 5 p.m. and choose maybe tomorrow, Tuesday, July 15th, 2024 or 2025. And you can see I can choose, say, 8 a.m., something like that. And I can just have a text message and hit this send button. And then it will essentially send that tomorrow at 8 a.m. Now, this option is available for anyone with an iMessage or another phone. So if it's a blue text message bubble, it will pop up. However, if I tap on somebody with a green text message and tap the little plus, you can see the send later option just doesn't appear. That is one issue potentially that you're running into, is that you're either trying to send it to someone without an iPhone, so basically the green text message bubble, or into a group message where maybe one person doesn't have an iPhone. So if it has a green text message bubble, unfortunately you can't do it. If it does have a blue text message bubble, let's head into the settings app of your phone. You have some requirements that you need to do. From here, let's tap on the general option midway down and then software update. You need iOS 18 or later. You can see it's currently at iOS 18.5. So if you haven't already upgraded, just upgrade to the latest version and then you'll be able to get it on your phone. If you do that and it still doesn't work, let's go back to the beginning of your settings. Once you're at the beginning of your settings, let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on apps at the very bottom. Now, after we've done that, let's scroll down and find the Messages app. So scroll down until you get to Messages and tap on that. And now from here, we're going to do a couple things. The first thing we're going to do is toggle iMessage off and just wait for a few seconds. And then toggle iMessage back on. This will reactivate iMessage and a lot of times fix bugs or glitches within the iMessages app. Now, after you've done that, you can see everything is good to go. Everything is turned on. What you're also going to do is scroll down to RCS messaging and make sure RCS messaging is turned on as well. After we've done both of those things, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. Once you're at the beginning of your settings, tap on the general option, and you have two different things you can do in here. The first one is scroll down to the bottom and hit the shutdown button. Now, this seems simple, but you'd be surprised how many times just turning your phone off and turning it back on fixes a ton of problems with your iPhone. So just shut it down and then restart it after that. If that still doesn't fix it, the last thing you can do is hit the transfer or reset iPhone here. And next we'll tap on reset. And from here, we're going to hit the reset network settings. This will bring all of your network settings back to factory default, including how your phone and iMessage connects to the internet and sends the send later message to someone else. So enter in the passcode for your phone and then just reset this back to factory default and then try it after that and it should be working.